Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today's recipe is black beans in Chipotle Adobo sauce. It's gonna go perfect with the last recipe that we did, which was Mexican millet or Spanish rice. These two recipes are gonna go perfect together. I just wish I had some of the last one because I already ate it all. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Now the beans are gonna take about 40 minutes to cook, so let's get started on that. You need one large white onion. We're gonna chop it like so. Now grab your 2 cans of black beans, drain them and rinse them. Now in a large saucepan, we're gonna combine our beans, 3 cups of cold water, our onions, and our bay leaf. We're gonna bring this to a boil. We're gonna boil this for 1 minute. And make sure to read your cookbook properly, because I didn't. Apparently, you're not supposed to half moon these onions, you're just supposed to half the whole onion, because you're gonna remove the onion when you serve it. But you know what? You can either remove the onion or not, because onion and beans go really well together. So do what you wanna do. However, per the recipe, you're supposed to take the onion out. That smells so good. I love the smell of black beans and bay leaf and onion. This is all perfect, except for the chopping of the onion. It'll still be fine. All right, we've boiled this for about a minute. You want to leave this uncovered, put it on a medium, and cook it for about 40 minutes until the beans are tender and about half the water is evaporated. Now, let's start on our adobo sauce. You're gonna grab another large onion, and we are gonna actually chop this correctly. You wanna dice it. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. Grab a skillet. We're gonna preheat this to a medium heat. Throw in our olive oil. We're gonna saute our onions and our garlic until the onions are very soft, about 10 to 12 minutes. And while those are sauteing, grab your chipotle peppers. Fun fact, chipotle peppers are actually just overripe jalapenos. Who knew? So no, you can't just grow a chipotle pepper. You have to grow a jalapeno first, then you let it ripen up quite a bit, let it turn red, let it dry out, and then you're gonna smoke it for a while, and then there you have a chipotle pepper. And then if you want to make it extra delicious, you put it in an adobo sauce, like so. And chipotle peppers are made primarily in Mexico. All right, we want 2 of these peppers. Okay, that one looks smaller than usual, so I'm just gonna, and we're gonna mince these. All right, we got that. Now the hard part. Gonna get 2 tablespoons of this goodness. All right, I think our onions are soft enough, so let's add our chipotle peppers and our chipotle sauce. And we're only gonna cook this for about 30 seconds, so act fast. All right, and we're supposed to remove from the heat, let it cool a little bit, then we're gonna transfer it to a bowl, and we're gonna blend it up a little bit. All right, let's give it a good couple blends. You want it to be kind of chunky still, but you want it to be more of a smooth chunky. Time is up. Now, before serving, you want to take out your bay leaf, and you're supposed to remove your onion too. Now, one thing we didn't do yet is add salt and pepper, because it didn't tell us to. It does say in the ingredients to salt and pepper, so I'm going to do that right now. Just do it however you want. Let's try it. All right, so obviously you're supposed to do the onions differently than I did. It is good. Definitely need to add a little bit of salt to the beans. The adobo sauce is good. I would probably add another pepper to it, because why not? I might blend this up a little bit more to make it a little bit more saucy, just slightly more chunky. Obviously, it's just a matter of preference as far as the consistency goes. It's not going to really change the taste, but it's a good recipe. The chipotle sauce is good, depending on how much you like the chipotle flavor. You might want to add one more pepper. It's not missing, so don't mistake, what I'm saying for that, but I just would like more. So I didn't royally screw it up. I mean, if you like onions, then leave them in there. Don't worry about taking them out. This would be a great side to the Mexican millet that we made last time, or to any other Mexican-inspired dish. I hope this looks good. I think it does. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. I hope you liked what you saw. I did. Black beans, adobo sauce.